Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Miriam and you're welcome to my channel. To my OGs, you guys are so welcome to another video. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys empty apartment tour. Guys, in my last video I showed you guys the empty apartment tour. Like, I have not even put anything together, but now I'll be showing you guys the gradual process, the extent I've gone to, what I have put in place. So guys, I'll just be taking you guys along with me to show you things. I'm just taking you guys through the process, guys. I'm taking you guys through the process just to keep you guys up to speed. The next video I'll be uploading about this apartment, I think I should be done. Yes, the next video should be apartment tour, guys. I should be done with everything, construction wise, decoration wise, and everything at all. I think the apartment should be ready the next time I'm doing it, guys. Yeah, that's it. So if this sounds like a video you are interested in, please keep on watching. Do not forget to like my videos and give me a huge thumbs up, guys. Okay, subscribe to my channel, please. Leave comments, guys. Leave plenty comments. Let's get into the video. Bye.
Beautiful soul, it's time for you to go. You already done much more than anyone will ever.
Handle. They've not insert any handle here. Heat extractor over here. Here is for heat extractor. So over here is a room. As you can see, everything is still under construction, guys. Let me open up this window for more lighting. Guys, pardon the noise outside. So it's still under construction, guys. Here is the drawers. Can you see them? Guys, just wait for the updated.
To see him, just to see him again, and now
Can you see? Can you see the lens? Like, I can't even reach them.
More than anyone will ever know. So little bird, fly away into the sun, 'cause today your new life has just begun.
There is no lights yet, so that's why these wires are still here. So from the toilet, you see the room. So this is the room. This is the room. Then you see this door here. From the door, you get to the kitchen. Guys, this is the kitchen. Yeah. So that's pretty much everything in this apartment, guys. This is everything in this apartment. It's still very much under construction. I'll show you guys the finished look. You can see some of these things are not yet covered yet, so they're still under construction. I'll show you guys the full look when it's completed. Here is a TV stand. Here is a TV stand, guys. You can see started from up there to here. Yeah, guys, that's it for this video. That is it for this video. Guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was interesting. Please, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. This is a place, a happy place. This is a place you ought to be, guys. Subscribe to my channel because I'm sure I have tons and tons of videos to upload about apartments, short let, Airbnb, you know, all two self-con, 2-bedroom apartment, a self-con. Guys, I have a lot of things to share. So please, if you are not yet subscribed, please, this is an opportunity to subscribe to my channel. Okay, yeah, and you can share my link. Feel free to do anything. You can share my link, leave comments, tell your friends about my page. Do you have someone that is looking forward to getting an Airbnb decorated, or you want to get an idea of what an Airbnb look like, or what 2-bedroom apartment or a bedroom 1-bed apartment look like? Guys, this is the right place to be. Just subscribe to my channel. Okay, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Thank you guys for supporting me. To my OGs, thank you so much. You guys are amazing. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you guys. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.